Hi, I'm Dr. George Love from the Blue Dragon Qigong Academy, and today we're going to talk about breast health. This is part of my new book, Dr. Love's Sex Before Dinner Diet Book. So, the breast is an organ of nourishment, and the acupuncture meridian system goes through the breast, obviously. So the stomach meridian goes directly through the breast, through the nipple. The liver ends directly underneath the breast between the fourth and fifth rib. The spleen meridian also to the outside of the breast between the fourth and fifth rib. And the pericardium just to the outside of the nipple between the fourth and fifth rib. So it's very interesting that there's 4 acupuncture meridians that go right through the breast. Now the liver and spleen end underneath the breast, the pericardium starts and the stomach goes through. Now there are 7 breast health exercises that we use to clear the breast and to stimulate lymphatic flow to prevent breast cancer.